What is Pulse by DataDyne? It was founded by a 20-plus year European automotive shop professional, Joshua Hemmerling. Joshua's intent was to bring meaningful KPIs to important roles in automotive shops, including shop owners, MSOs, managers, service advisors, and technicians. Each user will receive a blank canvas. The user will drag and drop visual elements like gauges, horizontal bars, vertical bars, pie charts, and more onto their now personal canvas. Each visual element will be set to a specific KPI that is relevant to the user and their position, like gross profit, average repair order, average written repair order, flagged hours, sale rate, and many more. Joshua has incorporated a specific architecture to the software, allowing the platform to adopt more KPIs quickly and easily, allowing the platform to grow exponentially. Users now have a clear, role-specific view of their KPIs, eliminating the frustration of scrolling through multiple reports to find the data they need. This streamlined approach also provides access to information that is not typically available to them, but still controlled by admin. By showing users where they stand and giving them actionable insights, you can foster a more goal-oriented culture in your shop. This focus on goals and transparency will ultimately lead to a positive impact on your net profits and culture. Get in early before launch in Q1 of 2025 and pre-order Pulse today.